everyone, good morning and welcome back again to my channel. And today is Friday and it's already 9:30 in the morning. So last night I did my preparation for our suitcase here. So we thought about to have a little road trip vacation with the kids, with my family. So in my family, we are 4 people, my 2 kids, which is my toddler and my 9-year-old girl, and plus me and my husband. So I already pack everything up. I just wanted to show you all guys how I do pack all our stuff for my family in a one suitcase here. So this is the stuff that I'm going to bring for my family. I have here my stuff, my daughter, and then my husband and my toddler. So everything that we need for 3 days vacation, I'll put it in a one suitcase. So let's start with this. So I need this one to put all our laundry. So once we get to the hotel, you know, we could use this one. This is a foldable, so I'm gonna need this one. And then so these are all mine. So I already pulled everything in here, and I have here my extra sunglasses. All the Ziploc bag, I'm using this for my kids and for my underwear. And of course I need this one. This is a steamer from the Homever. It's really compact. So this comes with a dust bag, but I'm in a hurry, so no big deal, I just throw it in there. These are some outfits that my daughter were going to wear, so I put a label in there like sleeping clothes, an extra outfit, and a swimwear that she could use. And then this is for Saturday outfit, Sunday. So what I'm doing, I'm putting a label on it, so that way they knew they could help me out on that way and more organized. So that's on this side. And then on this side is I put my extra bag in here, and then my husband outfit in here, and some other stuff that we're going to use, and because we're using this one for the bathroom. And we have here all the medicine that we need. We put it in a one packet in here. So all the sleeping clothes for my husband, and this is for my toddler. So I put all his sleeping clothes, and then supply of diaper in here, and then Sunday extra clothes and swimwear. So those are the stuff that I pack already in here. So I also put like extra paste towel just in case, and some bibs. So that's on this row. And then so for all the toiletries, I'm using this one. This is the bag that I got from the Target, and it's really good. It has a lot of space in here, and you could put a lot of stuff, which is really organized. I could really see it, right on the back. I could see everything what's in here. I have my contacts, my solution, an extra pain reliever, all the allergy medicine, brushes, all that's in this side. This is where I put all my makeups. So I put all my lippies. So that's what I do in here, so I could see it easily and more organized when we got in there. So it's just one toiletries pack like this. And on this side in here, I put all the stuff like for our toothbrush and toothpaste, makeup remover, and of course my toddler toothpaste. And over here on this side, I also use a Ziploc bag. Over here I put a mouthwash, which is it could hold in here. So I have a shampoos and conditioner, which is mini travel size, and also this Cetaphil moisturizing lotion for my kids for also a travel size, and keratin oil for the hair. And here is some deodorant, some other stuff like perfume, lotion for me, and a bar of soap for everyone. So this is all our family toiletries, so I put it in this one. So I really like it because it's all in one pack in here. And this is for everything. So I received some packages, and thought about opening that up today, so that way we could see what's inside, and maybe we could be able to use it for our trip. This one is a professional hair straightener, so this I could really use for our trip today. And this is how it looks like. I don't know if y'all could see, but yeah, I'll just put it right here. So this is how it looks like, and it comes with this clip and some comb, and of course the user manual, and it comes with a travel case bag, and yeah, it comes with a 2 clip and a comb and a travel size. So we could be able to bring this also, and I'll try it when we got to the hotel. So this really used for our travel. So that is from the Bolantech, and I think they're also partner with the Homever. So thank you for sending, and going to unbox this one. So this is a educational toy. So this is a magnetic educational toy. So my father got something that he could play with while we're on a road trip. Comes with this standee here, and a pair of eraser and a 2 different marker, a red and black. So this is how it looks like, black and a whiteboard, and comes all the different. So these are all magnetic letters. So he could play with this along while we're on our road trip, and I'll just put it in his backpack because he got a little backpack with him as well. So we'll bring this one. So this is from the Ginme company, and it comes with the 52 uppercase magnetic letters and 52 lowercase and 29 numbers and mathematics symbols. So these are really good for ages 3 and class. So it's really good educational toys for your kids, and I'll going to put the link in my description box if you are interested with this. So this is the outfit of my toddler that he will going to wear today. So he's gonna wear this with a pair of shoes, and going to use this one, this diaper, or honest diaper. And recently we used the Huggies diaper. We got it from the Target. However, you know, we see the difference on this. Since we're gonna go on a road trip, we wanted him to stay, you know, really comfortable with his trip, and we have decided to just stay on to the honest. We're gonna need to change him how many times, you know, in a day, other than, you know, we're using this one. I think like 4 pieces a day or 3 pieces, you know, is really good, because these are really thick, and once you take it out, you know, even the texture, right?
Super soft compared to
the Huggies. So as you could see,
Huggies.
We try it, you know, to kind of like lower our expense, because honest are sometimes expensive, but when you get a good chance, you have a coupon, or you know, you got some good deals around you all, you know, this is a really good brand to have and to keep, you know, to stock up, you know, when you have a good deal. That's why I love about Honest, because the Honest company, especially the diaper, which is they're known for, is really good. Even I've noticed it like for the whole overnight use, compared to the Huggies one is really super. This one is super, you know, by the end of the night, you know, I mean by the morning, you know, when you change him out, it's really soaked, and you know, sometimes it has a leak. So which is, it doesn't do that onto the Honest diaper, because the Honest diaper is really, you know, super absorbent. When you take it off, it's still dry. I mean really dry in here. So we're gonna use this one for our trip, especially we're gonna go, you know, around the city, and we wanted him to be comfortable, so we're gonna use the Honest. So this is what he will going to wear, and my daughter is already ready. Also done preparing our breakfast, so we're gonna need to eat here first before we take off. Also have here to organize our trip. I have here my list on where we're going, what's gonna be our plan, once we get in there. So I will keep this in my bag, and I also have here all our snacks. So what I did, because I have all the chips in a large pack, so I put it in here so that way they could have a little snack. We could have a little snack in the car. So I also baked some cookies in here, some other fruit snack, and some crackers that they could have during on our trip. So I also packed this one. So these are more of our drinks. So I have here some instant coffee. This is emergency vitamin C, and some hot chocolate, and yeah, mostly that's all the stuff that I bring in here. And this is a breakfast essential chocolate milk. So I just throw all this instant mix of drinks for us that I took from the pantry. So I just pack all this in here, throw it in a little bag in here, so that way it kind of like lessen our expense on our budget, instead of just buying all that little stuff, so that way you always have that in your car, or in your luggage, and yeah. Are you ready to eat?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to call Daddy. I have a surprise for you that we got. You wait here, okay? I got something for you. There! Yay! So they sent you this. What are you going to say?
Thank you.
Thank you. So you have here all the letters and numbers you could play with.
This one.
Yes. So you could play this one. And then you have this also. Just like this. And then
That's nice.
to open this, baby, you could open that, and then you put all your numbers in here. Okay? Or later you're going to play that in the car, okay?
Okay.
What are you going to say?
Tito.
Thank you. Do you like it?
Yeah.
So this is a bag that I'm going to use, and it's just small bag, and this is for my husband. He got his sling bag, and of course my camera bag, that I could just throw in, like crossbody bag like this. And I have my SD card there, my charger, and over here I have, of course, my Origem headphones. I always need that, so I have my travel case in there. I have my sunglasses, and of course my phone, and I have here the Honest wipes in here inside, and also have a Lysol to go because you always need, you never know. And what else do I have in here? So I also have an Honest sanitizer spray, and another sanitizer from Bath and Body Works, and this one with the sweet pea is really, smells good. So because this one, I love also this one, the scents of the lavender scents from the Honest, but this is more actually for everyone, which is including my kid, and if I needed like a good smell, I'm using this one. And I have a little pouch here, which is I put my little jewelry if I'm gonna change, and some little makeup, like a little compact powder here. So I have my powder. So that's all I have. I have my wallet, I have my wipes, and this stuff in here that accessible, that I know I'll be using throughout the day. So that's all I have, and I guess we're ready, and my husband will just going to close this one, and we're good to go. So that's it for today, guys, and I hope you like this video and give you all some idea how I do pack my stuff as a mommy. And of course, I have my 2 kids and my husband, so for the whole family, and how I do organize all our stuff that we're going to use for the whole weekend. So I hope you give you all some idea how I, do that. And if you're interested with some other stuff that I mentioned earlier in this video, I'll going to leave it in my description box. And yeah, I'll see you all guys in our next one. Bye.